Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to day 2 of 14 Days of Valentine's, where every single day for 14 days, I'm giving you a new makeup idea for Valentine's. So I hope you've been liking it so far. If you didn't see yesterday's video, what are you doing? You need to go see it right now. I'll link it up in an iCard. And if you're new, make sure you have subscribed. You've hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos and the rest of this Valentine's series. It's gonna be really fun. And also head on over to Instagram and go follow me on Instagram, because February, there's a lot of things going on. A lot of like makeup things I'm talking about and a lot of family things that I share with you guys over on Instagram. If you didn't know, I have 4 boys and 1 girl, my baby girl, and she's turning 1 this month. So February is a very good month. I'm really excited. And if you want to see the fiesta we have for her, you definitely want to be following me on Instagram. Longest intro ever, so sorry. Let's just get started with this look. Also, another thing I want to say is that I thought that my microphone was on for this entire video and it wasn't. So if you see my mouth moving and I'm blabbing, I'm sorry, it had to be a voiceover. I didn't have a microphone on the whole time. Sorry. But let's just get started. Okay, so I'm getting into this Naughty palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm getting into this shade and putting it into the crease and just really blending it out. And then I'm going to get into this very light shade and I'm going to put that right underneath the brow. Then I'm getting into this darker kind of like purpley cranberry shade, and I'm focusing this on the outer corner. This is going to kind of deepen it up. And I wanted to put it in the inner corner, but I decided to just keep it in the outer portion of the eye. Then I'm going to get into this very light, almost pinky brown, and making sure to really blend out that deeper shade with that shade. You just want this look to be blended. And then we're getting into this beautiful like pink cranberry reddish shimmer shade, and I decided to put this all over the lid, and using your finger is probably the best way to apply this. And then I went with a wing as well, and that's basically it for the eyes. It's so easy. I'm just going to pop on some lashes and we're going to start priming the face. So I decided to take out my Dior Forever Glow foundation. It's been such a long time since I put this foundation on, and I have been loving this Pixi priming oil, so I'm putting that on. The combination is gorgeous, and I'm blending it with my sponge. Now after I've completely set the face and done my concealer, I'm going to get into this Fenty cream bronzer in Teddy. If you're my skin shade, I would definitely go with a shade lighter than this. Teddy is kind of dark. But then I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I promise I'll be using a different bronzer in my other videos, but I just really wanted to put this on and blend that all out. It helps blend in Teddy, gives me a bronze look, just really beautiful. I'm obsessed. Anyways, I'm going to go in with this blush. This is a Wet n Wild blush, super affordable, and I'm just going to put that on, and I feel like that went with the eyes so beautifully. Now for highlight, we're taking out the e.l.f. highlight. It's such a good highlight, so affordable, but looks so beautiful on the cheekbones. So I'm going to spray my face, and then we're going to finish off underneath the eyes. So I'm just going into that same kind of light pinky brown, and I'm just going to put that in the lower lashes. Don't forget your lower lash mascara, and then we're on to the lips. I'm using kind of like a mauve lip pencil, and then I'm going to go in with this Nude. This is a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Nude Kate. Very beautiful. Those two combinations are absolutely gorgeous. And now we're ready to party. I love this cranberry look. It looks so good, and I hope you guys really like it. Don't forget to subscribe and to come back tomorrow for day 3 of 14 Days of Valentine's. You don't want to miss tomorrow's video. I love you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.